So we can see from here, this is part of LED UFO high balance. We have 200 watt, 150 watt, 100 watt, and 60 watt. Now I will introduce you one by one. This one is our 60 watt UFO high balance. It is small design. It built with 3030 luminous LED tube, and it comes out of 130 lumen per watt. For this one, this is our 100 watt UFO high balance. You can see from the face part. This is our one-time LED lens. This lens, it can be 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. This lens, it is ETL and DLC speed. And also the LED tube is 3030 lumen. The lumen per watt, it is 130. It can do 100 to 277 volts. And also if you demand 247 volt or 480 volt, you just contact with our sales. Normally we will build with the DRM driver, or we call it Dimmable driver. If you need Lumious driver or Sonson driver, we can also build for you. You just let us know your demand. For this type 100 watt and 150 watt UFO high balance is our company wholesaling model. Normally we stock at least 500 pieces per wattage for this UFO high balance. If you contact with us for the standard carton ratio, normally we will have stock and ship faster for you. So this strip we can do 100 watt or 150 watt for you. We have the 150 watt, it should be a little bit larger on the PC. So because we don't have the sample here, so I will show you the 200 watt as well. This is our 200 watt UFO high balance. So we can see the more higher wattage, the heatsink is more bigger. We need to make sure the temperature lower on the LED chip, so we must use bigger heatsink. We can see from here the LED lens. The LED lens also the same 60 degree, 90 degree, or 120 degree. Any degree we can meet your demand. We can see from here, this is the dimming wires, 0 to 10 volt. If you have any demand of the dimming, you just let us know. We can do dimming option for you. For this dimming wire, we can connect with the motion sensor. So it is much more convenient if you want to do the smart lighting. All the UFO high balance we standard in hook mounting. If you want to do the Brack mounting, you contact with our sales. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.